offices? Have they checked at that time that you have to come here at 11 because somebody complained about that signboard is there? Sorry? The signboard has not come yesterday. The license shows you on which day it has been approved. You have an office. You can check in your office the records whether permissions are taken or not. Whoever is the licensing authority, you check with them. Why you have to come here? And when you are satisfied that the licensing authority has not issued license, you could have landed here. There is a licensing authority or not with the government? Does the election commission know it or not? They could not ring them up and find out that the so and so license has been taken. You have to come here and verify it. So what is this exactly? Again I am repeating. The higher level officers and those who are controlling, because election commission is a constitutional body. It has a separate identity. But at the same time, we also know that they are human beings working there. They can be under pressure. Now the question is whether they are under pressure or these people are under some other pressure. The side business that is going on. From the powers that is running, functioning the state. Now the powers are who? It's the bureaucrats. Are they being tutored to put pressure on us? The Trinamool Congress is not going to get cowed down by such type of harassment, and it is an indirect threat to our workers at that part of the time. Right? We will not cow down to this. We will work more harder, and we will work to promise the people of Goa a genuine solace for the present miseries and sufferings that the state has had.